Hey everyone, Codex here. I hope you're doing fantastic. So today we will be taking a look at Fantom or FTM, just doing some analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few weeks, given that we are currently in a short-term downtrend after the 62% move to the upside that we've had lately. And of course, we will cover the Fantom stablecoin news because the staking option is finally live. So before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn those notifications on and comment down below your price targets for Fantom by the end of this year. So Fantom has been quite controversial this year. I mean, we've had a streak of bad news and adding the strong bearish momentum that we've had at the start of this year, we ended up going down by 69% from January's top. And despite this decent move to the upside that we've had lately, FTM is still down 65% from its peak. Now, the first thing that I find concerning is the 50 weeks moving average. I've mentioned this in the past and I said that if we want to increase our odds of going up, we need to remain above it like we did in here or also here. But unfortunately for us, it seems like the 50 weeks MA is becoming a very tough test. And closing below it again this week will just be another sign of weakness. And I know that this hurts, especially if you are heavily exposed to FTM, but you'll only get the truth in here. Fantom is getting hammered lately. I mean, it's down on the 4 hours, on the 7 days. 3 months is also red, 6 months too, and from the start of this year we have been also going down, and it's even down against Bitcoin. BTC has been outperforming FTM for the last 6 months or so, and even when FTM went up, it couldn't outperform Bitcoin, which is concerning because look, when you invest into altcoins, you want to outperform BTC. You are looking for that 10x, 20x, 50x or whatever. But if your favorite altcoin has been getting hammered and losing its value, not only against the US dollar, bear in mind, but also against Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the safest bet, then why do you hold it? You are probably waiting for the next bull run, right? But do you have a guarantee that the next bull run is going to start this month or next month? And I'm not saying you shouldn't buy FTM or anything like it. I think it's a decent project and I even made a video talking about its perks, but I'm talking about the price action in here. If we take a look at the KDJ on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the current momentum is starting to look like the one we hit in here when we dropped brutally. And as long as the black line is this low, things don't look that great. What I hope for to see another decent move up is the black line going up again and trending above this level of 20. And we would also need a cross between the blue and orange line, with the blue line winning the upside race. So basically something like this, and that would trigger an upward pressure and a bullish momentum on the daily time frame. If we take a look at the stochastic RSI on the 3 days time frame, and this is also very important, you can notice that we've just got a bearish cross with both lines being below the level of 80, and that's bad news on the long term, of course. We've had it here and we ended up getting this brutal correction where everybody thought that Fantom was done. We also had it here and we ended up going down by 84 or 85%, which is quite concerning. And please remember that I'm not saying that FTM will drop 80% today or tomorrow. I'm just saying that looking at the charts and comparing to what has happened in the past when we've had the same exact signals, things didn't end up well for us. I do hope that we recover from this, but in my opinion, I see something like this happening. I've said in here about a month ago that although I'm bearish on FTM on the long term, I don't see us going below $1 now like many are claiming, because we are way too overextended down. We were way too overextended down in here, I mean, and we needed a rise. But now visiting the $1 mark in April is starting to look more likely. So moving on to the updates, we covered this last time, but the staking option wasn't live yet, and so I just wanted to let you know that you can start staking on USDB's website, which is Fantom's own stablecoin. By the way, there is a 20% APR, which is basically the same APR that USD offers. You can start depositing DAY to the liquidity pool and start farming immediately. If you don't know what DAY is, it's basically another decentralized stablecoin, and so the good thing about this 20% APR staking option is that your money isn't locked in single-sided staking, meaning that you can claim your money and rewards at any given point in time. You can also go for the locked option if you don't mind that, of course, where you could get up to 32.25% APY, meaning that just by staking 10,000 US dollars, you will make 1,500 bucks in just 6 months. So that was about it, guys, for today. I just wanted to say that if you want to have full control over your keys, make sure to check out Decent. They are offering a $50 discount on their hardware wallets with my promo code Codex Crypto. The wallet supports basically every coin that could come to your mind. Plus, you will get a mobile app so you can stare at your screen 24/7. So now instead of staring at your Binance account all day long, you can stare at your portfolio on Decent, and at least you know that even if you lose 90% of that money, nobody is going to scam you or freeze your funds. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.